Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install navigation and backup camera in 2014 Mercedes ML350 Blue Tech. That's where we put the backup camera. So right now we are on navigation mode. Basically we add like a transparent touch to the existing screen, so no modification to the original radio. By going to reverse, we go to backup camera. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines, so by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guidelines, they turn too. And also going back to park, it goes to navigation mode. It's fully touch. You can put your destination, and it's so easy also to go back to original mode. Just push the back button once, the screen switch to original mode. And also by holding the back button for long, the screen change to aftermarket mode. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. This interface for Mercedes works with ML, C-Class, E-Class, GLK, CLA, GLA. It works with most of these Mercedes vehicles. So just give us a call and we get it done for you. Thank you and have a great day.